Hey guys, welcome back to the Aino tutorial series where we're teaching you how to be an expert in GIS analysis. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit and interpret the data from Aino.
Let's take an example where I want to see all of the schools in my area. When I click on Table View, I can see each school's features like type of education or even their website. I'm using the categorize feature to visualize the data. I can choose which attribute I want to visualize and sort the data, whether it's the type of school or the age group. We can edit the colors and opacities of both the fill and the stroke of each layer and visualize the label for each school. Aino shows all of the buildings inside of the buffer zone, but if we want a cleaner result, we can clip everything within the circle. On the right-hand side, you can see a new layer with cropped buildings. I kept editing to create a nice appearance. Another visualization type is heatmap, which gives a general impression of the concentration of schools within an area, and you can change colors and size. If we click on the legend, you can see a summary of each data layer. You can ask for interpretation of results, like the ratio of buildings to green here. Right now, we are in a 2D map viewer, but we can enable 3D on the buildings that belong to our layer. If we click on each building, we can see its height. In the Aino Help Center, you can see all of the different ways you can analyze your data. Stick around, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to share and export your map.